how to factory reset your Chromecast from the Google Home app. So in this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually factory reset using the Google Home app and not necessarily the Chromecast device itself. We have already made a dedicated video on that. If you don't find the option in the app settings, you can actually reset and factory reset the Google Chromecast using the button on your Google Chromecast device. So make sure to stick with us till the end. The very first thing I assume is that you've already downloaded and installed the Google Home app, as well as also already connected your TV or your Chromecast to the app. So once you've actually connected, and you can open the Google Home and you can see this is how it is going to look like. In my case, I'm going to simply select that particular device or that particular Chromecast which you want to reset or factory reset it. So I'm going to tap over here and you can see somewhat this kind of interface. You can see both of the wallpapers are similar in the background and it will change according to this as well. All you have to do is once you open the Google Home app, what you have to do is on the very top right hand side, you can see this gear icon next to your Chromecast device. So you have to actually tap on the gear icon. As you tap on the gear icon, you'll be able to see an interface like this. Again, what you have to do is at the very top right hand side, you can see this three dot icon. So right next to device information and TV settings and so on, you can see this little three dots at the very top right corner. So tap on the three dots and at the second you have this option called factory reset. Now recently Google has made it really easy to factory reset it. You don't need to actually go to the back of your HDMI port and then tap on the button next to the Chromecast. You can simply tap on the factory reset button which you see right on the screen. As you tap on factory reset, it will ask you for a bunch of confirmations such as Office TV, and this will restore your Chromecast to factory settings and remove it from your home. You may no longer be able to access the device through the app and it will no longer be associated with your Google account. And you can also see the summary which says this process could actually take several minutes, and it also says that resets Office TV's device settings as well as removes the device from this home. So once you factory reset it, you also have to understand that you have to go through the process of connecting your device all over again onto your app. If you're sure about that, go ahead and tap on the bottom button which says factory reset right in this blue color. So tap on factory reset and it may take some time and your TV is also going to be actually rebooted. You can see it says restarting and performing a factory reset, and this process is actually going to take a while. So you want to be patient and wait. After you do that, your Chromecast is going to be rebooted and you'll have to simply connect it to your app again. And this is how you can actually factory reset your Chromecast using the app. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.